So you've chosen your issue and you've chosen to organize around it. So what do you do next? Well, you seek out the ways that people in your own community or other communities have addressed the issue. And of course, think about what they have done, how have they addressed it, how can you use their example to address issues in your own community, and of course, how do you make sure that you're amplifying their voices and the work that's already being done as you educate yourself and other people in your community.
Social media news sources are not entirely bad, but you have to realize that nothing on social media is fact-checked or verified, meaning you cannot take social media news to be factual. Instead, you can supplement the news you've learned on social media with factual sources. For example, you can scroll through a political infographic on somebody's Instagram story, then search for a published article to deduce whether or not the information you learned from that Instagram story aligns with reality. Additionally, you should try and read news articles from sources with varying biases to ensure you understand all sides of an argument before forming your own opinion. It's so important to critically engage with the issue you're trying to address. Community and national issues are very complicated, so solving them requires you spend lots of time educating yourself.
One book that has impacted me is the second book of The Handmaid's Tale called The Testaments. This book has shown me that if I'm standing up for something that I believe in, that I cannot give up, and everything that I do matters.
Hi, my name is Ria Enberg, and a book that has really inspired me is This Raging Light by Estelle Lohr.
Nonfiction books are a great way to start. You can also supplement your learning with podcasts, documentaries, and YouTube videos. Be sure to educate yourself about both sides of your chosen issue. It's so important to understand the motivations and logic of those who see things differently than you.
It's helped me to advocate more for youth who are going through hardships they shouldn't have to face, especially at such a young age. It's also helped me to be a kinder and less judgmental person.
See you next time.